What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Two Wheeled Rider YouTube channel. My name is Mario Orsini, and in today's video is a continuation for the European Motorcycle Trip Debrief series. I'm going to show you everything we packed on our trip and how we packed it to get it over to Europe. So I don't shoot too many videos in my bedroom, but the reason why we're shooting it in my bedroom tonight is because we just got back earlier this afternoon from Europe. I haven't unpacked everything, so I can show you exactly how it's packed because I don't want to unpack it and then repack it just for video purposes. So let's jump into it. So I took 3 bags with me to Europe. This is the OGO 9800 rig. I'll show you how everything's packed up in here. This is also what I use when on for race weekends. I also have this OGO backpack. I'll explain what's in there in a moment. And then I have the Fly More pack. This is just my DJI drone. It's my drone batteries, chargers, those sorts of things in there. These are the only 3 bags we took. I guess we'll start out with this pack here. This was basically just camera gear, electronics, chargers, sunglasses, those sorts of things. And these 2 bags I carried onto the plane. This is the check bag. This is the more important one. You guys have seen my camera gear in the past. Nothing's really changed there except I've got one additional lens. So let me show you this bag. First off, love this bag. It's really tough. It's got big giant wheels on it. It's got this sled back to it, so you don't have to worry about anything falling apart. I have tons of OGO bags. I love these things. They've got most of them, except for their golf stuff, has a lifetime warranty on it. Huge fan of these. So in this top compartment here, actually don't have anything in there. In the main section, we undo these buckles here, and then we've got this big giant zipper that comes all the way around, and we can flip it open. So one thing to know about this pack, when it is empty, it weighs in at 14 pounds. With it full of everything I'm about to show you, it came in at about 46 pounds, so I was under the 50 pounds, so I had no trouble using this as a check bag. Didn't have to pay any additional fees. So in this big compartment here, obviously I just have a toiletry pack. I brought this dry spec bag that Aaron sent me. Didn't end up using it, but had it. Some workout bands. Cable Alan gave me. Did bring a bungee net, did not end up needing it. Also have my helmet lock here, did use that plenty of times. These are all of my dirty clothes, so we'll just throw those out. As usual, and I've talked about this before, I always pack as if I'm going for 5 days and then just plan on doing laundry, so that's exactly what I did. Commemorative Rossi helmet. I brought that back with me. Belts. So here's some of my riding gear. So I always wear like some sort of Under Armour pants or something underneath my riding gear. So I got a couple pairs of those. Here's my jacket. Now one thing I did to make sure everything fit in here as well as possible is I took all the armor out of the jacket and I stuck it over here on the sides of the pack. So these are the shoulder pieces that go in the jacket. Over here are the knee and elbow pads. It just helped everything fit in there better. It helped me pack everything much flatter this way. So you've got the jacket folded up here. Underneath the jacket, you can see I've got my riding boots. I also have the rain liners for the jacket and pants. Here's the pants all rolled up. More rain liners. And then underneath the boots, try to get you a little bit better lighting, I have my my back protector. And that's essentially it in the main section here. There's a couple other additional things, earplugs and spare watch, that sort of stuff. So that's in the main part. Let me get some of this out of here and then I'll show you what's under here and then what's in the other section. Now obviously if you're going on a motorcycle trip, you also need to pack your helmet. There is this cushion piece here that folds up. It will fold flat in the bag if you wanted to do it that way. You've got some Velcro pieces in here that hold it in place, but I folded it up. Obviously I got my ball cap here, and this is where I have my Rai XD4 helmet, and this foam piece or protective piece goes all the way down here on the bottom side here. This is also reinforced, so everything stayed safe in there. Even though this thing has one of the visors on top, nothing got damaged on the way there or on the way back. Also have a couple pairs of gloves. Those are my Alpine Stars waterproof gloves. And then I also have my summer gloves in this section of the bag. And then last but not least is this section here. There's actually 3 different parts to it. In here, in this zipper compartment, I just have a pair of flip-flops. This zipper compartment, I've got my spare wedding band, a couple other things, also the receipts, which obviously I'll go over all the costs in one of my debrief videos. And then this entire part unzips. And here are the rest of my clothes, just t-shirts, jeans, those sorts of things. So that's it. That's how we were able to pack everything. Again, this is a giant bag. It does weigh in at 14 pounds. It does include a place there where you can put your name. It's easy as crap to get around the airport, but the best part about it is it still came in under 50 pounds, and it fit all of my riding gear and all of my regular street clothes I needed for, you know, a little over 2 weeks in Europe. So that's pretty much it for what we packed on this trip. Again, Kristen had the exact same bag as me, just a different color with all of her riding gear packed in it and clothes and those sorts of things. She also, I believe, had a purse and a backpack, much like the OGO backpack I had, with her other belongings in it. So we each had 2 carry-ons and this big giant bag that we took. It's under the length requirement that you need. It doesn't count as an oversize, and it fits all your riding gear. I absolutely love it. It fit all my stuff. Your mileage may vary depending on what type of riding you're planning on doing. But again, these bags, I've used them, you know, I actually used this bag to go out to Vegas for our wedding weekend, even though I wasn't packing riding gear, though I did pack a couple helmets in there for the ride we took down Las Vegas Boulevard. Use these on race weekends. Very, very versatile pack. I'm not trying to sell you one, just letting you know this is how we got to Europe. We found that worked best for us. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, consider hitting that subscribe button, because if you like motorcycles, this is the place to be. If you have any questions about what we packed, how we packed, you know, something I may have glossed over in tonight's video, be sure to let me know down in the comment section below. I'll do my best to try to answer. And as always, I'll talk to you again soon.